In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Quantower order history. Now to do this, first you want to open this Trades tab down here at the bottom. If you can see it, you can go to up top left over here, click on the Quantower logo and type in Trades, okay? As you can see, you can just click on that and it's going to open up like this. Now whenever you see it, you want to make sure there's trades in here, and then you want to filter this. You could do today, you could do yesterday, or whatever you want here. So you can do like custom time periods as well, and you can use these filters next to each and every single one of these words over here to actually filter however you want it to be. Then to actually export your order history, you want to go next to trades and click on the three lines over here, and then as you can see, it's going to say export data. Now when you click on the export data button over here, you can select how you want the file to be. It could be comma separated, it could be semicolon, tab, or white space separated. So I'm just going to leave it as comma separated, so it's going to be essentially a CSV file. And then over here you can just select what time zone you want. I'm going to leave it like it is, and then you can check the columns you want to see over here. You have account, date, time, symbol, etc. So by default it's going to look like this, but if you want to check all of them, you can click on here, or if you want specific ones, you can click them manually here inside your list. Then click on the export file button over here, and there we go. It's going to ask you where you want to export this. I'm going to go to my downloads folder and I'm going to click on save over here. Of course you can rename it as well, and whenever you do this, it's going to save it into your folder wherever you selected it. Okay, so that's how to export order history in Quantower. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.